Operation Bath Day. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got kombucha, the circulating tub, oof, me, and a lot of dust. So hopefully that won't be a problem when we're done. Okay, bye-bye.